Are you tired of stagnant growth in your organization or your personal development? Do you want to achieve continuous improvement and stay ahead of competition? Then you need to master the Japanese philosophy of Kaizen. Hello and welcome to Mr. Sleep Well. In today's fast paced world, not only organizations but individuals also need to constantly improve to stay ahead of others. This is where the Japanese philosophy of Kaizen comes in, providing a powerful way for achieving ongoing improvement and growth in personal life as well. In this video, we will explore how the principle of Kaizen can be applied mainly in a personal life. Whether it's simplifying daily routines, cutting back on unnecessary expenses, or setting personal goals, the philosophy of Kaizen can help individuals achieve their desired outcomes. So sit back, tune your attention, and let's get into it. Kaizen, a Japanese philosophy, has gained significant popularity by the 20th century, particularly in the business world. The word Kaizen is made up of two Japanese words, Kai meaning change and Zen meaning good, and together they represent the concept of continuous improvement, which is at the core of the Kaizen philosophy. At its essence, Kaizen is about making small, little improvements in processes, systems, and products in order to achieve better results. This can be applied to any aspect of life, from personal habits to business practices. The idea is that by making constant small improvements over time, we can achieve significant progress. The origins of Kaizen can be tracked back to post World War II Japan, when the country was struggling to rebuild itself. Japan's economy was in shambles, and the nation was desperately seeking ways to revive itself. In this context, the concept of Kaizen was born. Initially applied in manufacturing, Kaizen proved to be a valuable tool in helping Japan recover and eventually become one of the world's leading economic powers. The philosophy of Kaizen involves the idea that small, incremental improvements made over time can lead to significant changes in a company or organization's overall productivity and success. This approach emphasizes the importance of empowering employees to identify problems and come up with solutions to improve processes and workflows continuously. One of the most famous examples of Kaizen in action is the Toyota production system. This system revolutionized the manufacturing industry by implementing a process of continuous improvement where workers were encouraged to identify inefficiencies and propose solutions to streamline production. The success of the Toyota production system and other companies that adopted the Kaizen philosophy inspired organizations worldwide to adopt similar principles. Today, Kaizen is applied in a variety of industries and businesses, from healthcare to software development to education. Where it's commonly used in business and companies, you can also apply it to your personal life to enhance productivity, satisfaction, and well being. One of the key principles of Kaizen is waste reduction. In personal life, this means identifying areas where you are wasting time, money, or resources and finding ways to eliminate those inefficiencies. Maybe you could simplify your daily routine or cut back on unnecessary expenses to free up more time and resources for more meaningful activities. You can apply this principle to personal life by taking ownership of your personal processes and identifying areas for improvement. You might set some personal goals, seek feedback, or learn new skills to increase personal growth. To apply Kaizen to your personal life, you can follow a structured approach. This includes identifying areas for improvement, analyzing your work and thought process, creating and executing solutions, and monitoring and evaluating the results. By following this approach, you can continuously improve in the things you do on a daily or a weekly basis, leading to having more time and resources and having cleaner environment and headspace. Focus on just a small details in your life. Let's say that you will improve in one little detail a day. That is 7 details in a week and 30 in a month. You see, one small thing is not much, but 30 little improvements will stack up, and in the end, it will make a remarkable piece of change in the way you do things. This is also called a compounding effect. For a deeper explanation, I recommend you a book called Atomic Habits. With this, you can increase efficiency, save some energy, money, and time, reduce stress, and it will lead to a greater well being. And that's a wrap. Thank you for watching. Feel free to leave a comment below with your thoughts and any questions you may have. If you find this information valuable, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Keep practicing Kaizen in your life and work, and we'll see you in the next video. And now, I wish you a great day.